To add a folder, we're going to go to the space we want to add this folder to and click on the plus icon. And from here, click on folder. Then we have to name our folder. So in my case, campaigns would make sense, and then click on create folder. Now we can see that folder right here in the marketing space, and we can see that it's a folder by looking at the icon next to the name of the folder, which is this icon here. And there's already one list inside of it by default, and we don't really need this one right now. So to delete it, we can just click on the three dots and then click on delete and confirm. And now we can add all of our campaign lists into our campaigns folder by just dragging and dropping it into the folder just like this. So now whenever we're not working on one of these campaigns, we can just close this folder by clicking on the drop down arrow, and that's going to make it a lot easier to keep a good overview of your workspace. To keep things as organized as possible, I recommend to use folders for all of your lists. So I would also want to create a folder for our blog posts list. So I can click on the plus icon again and click on folder, and then I'd probably create a folder for everything that has to do with our website. So I'm going to name this one website and click on create folder, and then I can just put the blog post list inside of the website folder. I probably also want to delete this list because I don't need it. And now, just so we have a bit more content here in our workspace, I've added a few more folders to the marketing space. So now you know how to add lists to your space and how to organize them into folders.